This is next year's Arenacross. This is practice.
Week before they finally got on their bikes.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck? Yeah, it went a little bit.
Didn't get along. Hello?
Okay.
Careful.
Light work.
Dude, this is
gonna be fun.
this is gonna be amazing. All that tabletop.
I'll go down a little bit. Oh, those are whoops. Hey, let's walk over there a little more.
Holy, that's nuts.
Dude, these are smaller than what I
No, I doubt it. It's really cold. First gear bend.
Don't go to sleeping.
I know, I'm filming it short. Tabletop is looking beautiful. Yeah, it all looks pretty sweet.
That dude is gonna fall out.
I feel pretty bad for Kenyon. He crashed right there in the whoops and hit the block. His jaw's all bloody and his tooth is really wiggly. He thinks he broke his jaw. He's about to go to the emergency room. That's crazy. I know, poor guy. Really sucks. Oh! Baby. You good, Dad? Woo! We got 2 kids down already. He's back on and going. He's back down. There goes Cole. Second practice. Go, go! Oh no. Cole got last. Zach is 27, 74 is Evan. Oh no. Dude, I think Zach just blew up his Kawasaki. Holy crap. Dude, no way. It wasn't a bit. It wasn't a bit.
Oh my.
Holy crap. Zach just blew his bike. No freaking way. Oh yeah. Oh, there. Got it! Take that Holy crap. Get over and eat it. Dude, are you sure you didn't blow up your bike?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay.
I'm good. I'll refill it. Ready for the race.
Hey, my mom was telling me that you told her that you're not going to race next year.
Well, I mean, I guess we're gonna see, because if my bike is blown up, I'm done.
Is it blown up or not?
I sure hope not. It's either my bike is screwed up, or I don't know. God.
He blew it up. want to say? Zach is ahead of Cole at the moment. He chases the rhythm like a goon! Zach! Go Zach! Woo! Zach had Cole! Woo!
Dude, I chased the rhythm so hard.
I was trying to get past Zach, and then he couldn't find
Dude, Zach, you're ragdolling those.
No, you had it the whole time.
Yeah, well, I also was wanting to wait off the gate, so I had the track to myself.
That was kind of fun though. I can do that again. Easy work.
Dude, you were calling in the whoops.
Was I actually?
Yeah, it looked like it. Holy crap, Evan's in second. Evan is in second place in the schoolboy class. Bro, Evan is getting speedy with it. Evan low-key cooked in that race. Bro, second place. Oh! Schoolboy class. How do you feel though? That was the last race of the night.
That's just tonight, but I did good.
How was being
Pit crew?
yeah.
I'm the best dang pit crew ever.
He had a good picture. I know you humped the bar sometimes. I was like, woohoo! Okay, guys.
Yeah, this is the end of the race. I beat Cole. Most of the times that
Yeah, but I beat him Friday, which is all right.
Lot of yap from you, buddy.
Hey,
passed him in a good corner. His
Friday
pass
was the rough
was
draft.
cheating.
Friday was
He
the
literally.
rough. Friday was the rough
You
draft.
screamed.
And for the final draft.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, 2-0. Okay, into the vlog.